Hey boo hey, it's your girl Chef Sammy coming with another tutorial. Today we'll be making stuffed chicken breast. Let's get into it. Ran to the grocery store to pick up the items. I put the list of ingredients with the cream cheese spinach mix. Make sure you get some shaved parm, it's so good. Split your chicken breast in half. Season your chicken breast on the inside. Stuff your chicken breast with the filling. Place them in whatever baking container you want. I add a little bit of milk or cream to this. It's amazing. Meanwhile, we're going to set our little situation up for our boo thing tonight. Listen, all these little effects can change the whole mood. So if babe good to you, I suggest you put in a little effort and make him feel special. Boom. We got stuffed chicken breast with pan-seared asparagus. I also did some yellow rice with tri-color peppers and some jumbo shrimp on top. This meal, super hit. Of course, I had to add the chocolate-covered strawberries because that's my jam. Make you a little special cocktail and enjoy the view. I'll see y'all later. Bye.